Hi guys, it is Robin here with WTI, wanting to let you know how to avoid murdering a spouse that snores, and that is with these Mack's ultra soft earplugs. These are a 50 set, so it comes with 100 individual pieces, so 50 pairs. They are super soft and honestly have saved me from murdering my husband multiple times after nights of sleeplessness because of snoring. I have tried moldable sort of silicone plugs, expensive plugs, cheap plugs. These ones are the greatest earplugs I have ever had. They fold down really small to get into your ear and just fill that cavity really nicely. So you just kind of press it in. I give it a little twist myself and then pop it right in your ear, and you'll be able to hear it expanding in there as well. So I usually just keep my finger there to stop it from popping out. It is completely comfortable. I sleep in these. I've used them on the plane. I've used them whenever sound blocking was necessary. So I live near a high school, a emergency room, and a fire station. So these have been a game changer. I love them. I highly recommend them. And that is my point of view.